What is going on, guys? It's been a while since I actually made a video, and I've honestly been working on the car, but I've just been so busy, or just, you know, when the weekend comes, I just want to hang out and chill, because I do work 5 days a week, and I almost work like 100 hours every 2 weeks or whatever. But yeah, so I did buy some new things. You guys could tell by the title, I actually bought another one. But before we get into what I bought, this is the current status of my Mugen rear lip. I decided to paint it. I prepped it, fixed the cracks. All the cracks finished, or I mean, all the cracks were repaired. And it is already sanded down. It is ready to get painted. I am gonna be rattle canning it like how I did my rear lip and how I did my front grille. But this time I took a lot more prep. So I did primer and all that. And it's really smooth. It's nice and smooth, no cracks, nothing. And it's, yeah, it's ready for paint. I just have to go pick up the paint. And if you guys want to see a video of me painting that, let me know. I feel like it might be too boring for you guys, but you know, it is what it is. I've been getting a lot of messages from people saying like, yo, where's the videos at, you know? You should keep posting and everything. And yeah, I want to keep posting, but at this rate, I don't know like what to post. I don't want to post this me talking every fucking day, you know? Good news is, I told you guys a while back that we've been waiting on the K-Series parts, and we finally are getting them next week. I got in contact with David over at Hybrid Racing. Thank you very much, David, over at Hybrid. He's gonna ship us all the stuff that we need for the K-Swap. And that means the motor should be going in, I say probably like in less than a month, because we have to pull the single cam out, take out stuff we don't need, and then paint the whole bay and everything like that. So less than a month. This is currently what the car looks like running the OEM SIR front lip and SIR front and rear end. And this, I picked up, oh, this camera doesn't really focus well. This is my new camera, by the way. Picked up the new spoon lip, never been opened. All the seals, or all the little metal clips, retainers are still in there. And yes, boys, I got from Nima's Garage. Check out Nima's Garage. I'll put the Instagram, I'll put their website in the comments or in the description box. You guys know me. If you guys have been following my channel for a while, I've been buying a lot of things from them. I buy a lot of stuff from there since they opened up, and they always help me out. These lips are currently back ordered for like almost 7, or I don't know how long, but they're back ordered. I know the EG and the DC2 spoon lips are back ordered. EKs, I've seen ICB Motorsports have it in stock, but they're asking quite a bit, you know. But yeah, I got this from Nima's Garage, so thank you very much. Go over there, hit up Go Tuning for me and ask if they had any EK front lip stock, because a lot of places are back ordered. And yep, he got me one, so thank you very much, Joe and John, for shipping out. He literally shipped it out yesterday, and it came today when I was at work. And today's Friday, so we're gonna install this. And yep, brand new in box. Let's cut it open, or we'll slice this all up and open this up. Sorry if the camera doesn't focus as well. This thing's, oh my god, this blade is dull. I need to replace it, but it'll work for now. Come on. All right. I know a lot of you guys are gonna be like, why'd you even buy another one? Because it is one of those things where you bought for your car and you sold it and you kind of regret selling it. So I decided to buy another one. I didn't lose any money. I didn't lose nothing. I sold my old lip for the same price as I bought it new. And here are all the complaints from everybody. This channel gets a lot of hate comments. I know why. Because of all the money I waste on my car. And oh no. Come on. Why are you being so stubborn? Yeah. I'm not trying to cut myself. There we go. Oh, okay, so that's why they slapped it open, or sliced it. Thanks, boys. No wonder, I was like, why is there a Nima's Garage sticker if it's brand new? But I guess they snuck it in. Oh, they didn't leave no love letter. Come on, Joe, John, and Angel. Oh my god, the corners are annoying to open with one hand. Alright. Woo! I've been dying to buy another one in. Gosh. Oh man. I know you guys already seen this lip before, but it's just it's one of the cool things again. just another spoon lip. This is how it comes brand new. Cool, cool, cool. Now, to rip it open, and of course, we're gonna put it on the car. And gotta take off that lip, not that hard. I'm gonna take off the bumper also because I have to fix the tabs on that side. It's kind of sagging a little bit, kind of bugs me, so we're gonna fix that gap real quick. And yeah, dude, another spoon lip. God. Let all the hate begin. Now, to all the people that really do complain on my channel, even though this is my own channel and I upload what I feel like uploading, and this is my bill, I buy whatever I want to buy for this car. I've noticed a lot of people complain about all the stuff I buy, as in like, why would I spend so much on something? I've been through this video, or I've been through this topic before, and I just want to say, your build is your car, you buy whatever you want for it. My build is my car, I buy whatever I want for it. Everybody has different perspectives on like what to buy and preference, of course, and also budget. For me, I didn't lose money, like I said, on this lip, because I sold my old lip for the same price. I bought it new, and I did crack it and everything like that. So most of the time you have to think smart about how you spend your money and everything like that. I mean, I will admit, you know, I've known Neoma's Garage for a long time, so they do help me out. And yeah, I just decided to buy another spoon lip, because one is, it is a really nice piece, and yeah, I just regret selling my old one. And yeah, cool thing about this lip is it uses the factory mounting locations, and uses the factory, or uses the same hardware as the SR lip, so I can always switch on and off. And back here, just let me just say Spoon Sports. But yep, I just regret selling my old one, so I had to buy another one. And yes, it is a pretty expensive lip. Okay, ICB, I think shipped to your house, ICB is asking around $600 something. And yeah, but go through Neoma's Garage, they can help you out. Let's slap this bad boy on. But before I do that, I feel like a lot of people wonder how much lower it will sit, because this lip is pretty big. So all right, so let's measure the SR lip. SR lip is roughly, what, 2 inches? The spoon lip is, let me see, 4 inches. Yeah, so you're gonna be adding another 2 inches to your car. And if you had to measure or be sophisticated or whatever, let's go 4 inch, so it'll sit pretty much, hold on a second. That, so you'll roughly have, well, I will roughly have 3 or 2 inches of, well, 2.5 to 3 inches of clearance, because I am running 16, so the car does sit higher. I'm excited to put this lip on because I just, damn. Guess I'll wait till I get my new hood too, because I did order 2 hoods. But yeah, that will happen soon, or whenever it comes in from Japan. This came from Japan, but GoTeam already had a shipment. This will get painted, and you guys, I think you guys have to wait till I paint that rear lip and put it on. And guys, I will explain what I'm exactly doing to this car. It will trigger people, but who cares? Okay, let's put this on. I don't think I need to show you how to put the rear, or I don't think I need to show you how to take off the bumper and all that. I'll show you how to like mount it up or something. My bumper off. And this is what they're held in by. These are our OEM bolts, and this is like a little sliding clip. Oh, I'm missing one right there. I'll fix that. But yeah, these I'll take off all these 10 mils, and I put the spoon lip on. Super easy. All I know how to do is put on bumpers and lips and wheels. I really need to clean all this white stuff off. This was a clear coat when Victor wet sanded my car, and I put the bumper on top. Now I'm just gonna grab the hardware. And the cool thing about these OEM hardware, or these OEM bolts, focus, come on. I don't know why this thing doesn't focus. Okay, but anyways, yeah, just screws right up to this hole. There we go. Oh, damn it, I can't do this with one hand. All the missing hardware, I replaced it all. Just like that. Now to put on the car. And tighten it down, it's not tight, but man, that thing sits so low. This looks exactly like the old setup when I had the 15s. The only new additions is, of course, the 60-inch TEs and the spoon mirrors. Yeah, so now I think about it, the new hood that's gonna come is gonna look so much better. This has a different shade. It's green. But overall, I'm very happy that I bought this lip again. So, never again will I sell it unless it's completely gone. But we should be good. Fitment is A+. Alright guys, so that's it. Don't sell this, just keep building and stay tuned for all the upcoming videos. I know I've been lagging on videos, but it is what it is when you go back to work. So yeah. What's a pop-up mute?